calm and wide. Your smile, it brings the moon to life. No diamonds shine the way you do. When you're near, the world feels true. You're the sweetest light I've ever known, like sunshine warming up my soul. In your arms I found my home. No need to search, with you I'm whole. Late nights we talk, the world fades out. Your voice is soft, no room for doubt. Every touch, every look, it's real. You show me how true love should feel. You're the sweetest light I've ever known, like sunshine warming up my soul. In your arms I found my home. No need to search, with you I'm whole. And when the skies turn gray, you color them with gold. Your love's a fire that stays, even when the nights get cold. So stay right here and take my hand. Let's write our story in the sand. With every step I'll walk with you. Through every storm our love shines through. You're the sweetest light I've ever known, like sunshine warming up my soul. In your arms I found my home. No need to search, with you I'm whole. Sweetest light, shine on me, darling. You and me, eternal.